name is Alexandra Pizanza. I'm the office manager here at Summit Truck Bodies Repair Center in Kent, Washington. I've been working for 20 years in the auto body collision industry, commercial specific. Here at Summit Body, we do a variety of work on commercial vehicles, medium to heavy duty and specialty equipment. Our business size in terms of technicians is anywhere from 5 to 15. Right now we're at a sweet spot of 10 technicians. We have anywhere between 50 to 75 ROs closed monthly. I've been working with Mitchell for approximately 20 years. 2 years ago, Truck Max came out on the market. Truck Max makes commercial estimating more efficient and honestly more profitable by allowing us to train people who do not have industry experience to write estimates. Being able to offer mobile estimates, it is very, very crucial to our customers that they're minimizing downtime. So when you can walk a complete fleet with a manager and estimate all their vehicles, that's top tier service. Truck Max, in conjunction with Repair Center, has allowed us to streamline processes and very much has brought value to our company.
My name is Mike McCluskey and I'm the lead estimator for Summit Body. I've been in the industry for 30 years. I look at the vehicle, find out where the damage is, mark the damage, take photos next, and then I take that information and use Truck Max to help me navigate through what I just was looking at. The benefit is that it's kind of a click and shoot. I can click on what's damaged. It's going to give me that panel and what's behind that panel. So it gives me the option of whether I want to put that in the estimate or not. 99% of the time, the part behind it is damaged, but I can't see that part. So Truck Max allows me to see that part. My favorite features of Truck Max is number one, the VIN decoder. 17 digits that I don't have to type in. I love the graphics and all the operations, the labor hours that it gives me on it, and they're pretty spot on, the hours that are in for repairs. Truck Max makes it more efficient by listing all the parts pricing, plus when I'm sending it to our customer, it's in a professional format. A lot of our competitors don't have that, so along with the photos, it's an awesome presentation for our customers. It's been a great help for our organization as far as estimating trucks and different styles of trucks and different operations. So that program has been essential for our success.